All right, in this module, module 12, we are going to look at notifications or, activity, if you will. And this can get sort of complicated, and you can kind of take it as far or, keep it as simple as you want to. We're going to keep it relatively simple, and hopefully this will give you good ideas to how to create, an activity screen for your users. So we've already got a database here of notifications, and let's just change the type of this or the property name to just be, the notification content. Notification content. And we've already got a created date field, but let's go ahead and add a content type as well. All right. And this can just be a text field, right? We don't need to, create a separate collection necessarily, although you can certainly do that. And then let's go ahead and create a relationship to users. So this is going to be the user that it is being sent